The Grand Canyon, perhaps the most sublime sight in all of North America. A place on everyone's list of things to see in their lifetime. So large it defies imagination, a gigantic statement for even nature to make. It humbles the greatest of mankind, from Theodore Roosevelt to FDR to even the great General Eisenhower. How did these notable Americans arrive to the Colossus of Canyons? On Grand Canyon Railway, of course. But this style of travel isn't just reserved for the chosen few. You too can travel through scenic Grand Canyon country in the comfort of a classic Streamliner era passenger car. Catch the train any day of the year in Williams, Arizona, a short jaunt from Phoenix or Las Vegas. Select from 4 vintage classes of service, from the air-conditioned comfort of coach class, to the large windows and plush, roomy seating of first class. Sit high above the train in the observation dome for panoramic views and a champagne toast. Or live like a rail baron for the day and enjoy luxury parlor class, complete with a private bar and rear platform. Trade in your car for one of our classics. Relax with friends. Even play a game of cards. The vintage ambiance and live music will have you reminiscing of the past, but soaking up the present and each other's company. Everyone has fun on the train. Say, ma'am, what do you think?
We love it.
When you're out west, you never know what may happen. Out your window, watch as the terrain changes from high desert to prairie, prairie to pine. It's a view that's ever-changing until you come across a view that changes so dramatically, it could very well change you. Grand Canyon Railway makes it easy to plan a trip to the canyon. Rail packages with hotel accommodations in Grand Canyon National Park and in Williams are available. Whether you're a little kid or a big kid, there's nothing quite like a day on the railroad. To what President Teddy Roosevelt proclaimed, the one great sight every American should see.